Mira.
I'm Jazz.
Actually, in a very unexpected way. Kasi that time, I was not looking talaga. Nung mga time na yun, I was busy loving myself.
We actually met at a time na it was in our most unexpected. For me, di ko in-expect kasi I was not actually looking for someone. Parang I was just focusing on what I was doing that time. And it was my work.
Nung time na yun, hindi ko ina-expect na I would talk to him, we would have this kind of connection.
And then, unexpectedly, inad niya ako. Sabi niya that time, nakitan daw siya sa akin. So, ayun. And then there, it started there.
Hindi ko talaga ina-expect na magkaroon ng spark sa amin kasi first thing is LDR, long distance relationship. And I really don't believe in long distance relationship at first.
Nag-usap na kami, nagtuloy-tuloy, and then hindi din namin in-expect again na magkiklik kami right away, right there and then.
Sorry, I'm gonna leave. I'm driving so far. Tell me why you coming to me and say you want me again. Never wanna lose me, 'cause I'll be missing you.
Mixed emotion. To be honest, I was nervous, I was excited, I was happy. Halo-halo, di ko talaga ma-explain. Kasi for the longest time, matagal kami nag-uusap sa chat lang, sa video call. Ito na yung time na magkikita kami. Ito na yung moment na makikita ko siya in person. And that feeling is unexplainable.
It was mixed emotions eh. Roller coaster siya para sa akin. Yung opportunity na ma-meet ko siya in person kasi galing akong work no, nasa barko ko. Sobrang exciting. Lahat ng emotions na pwede ko ma-feel andun eh. So it was like a roller coaster of emotions.
I guess nung nagkita kami, mas more din sa excited, happy. Pero at the same time, may mga emotions ako na hindi ko talaga ma-explain.
Since kasi dahil sa nature ng work ko, so ako di hamak na seaman lang. And then siya, I've known her for being a model, for being a pilot, for being a flight attendant. She's everything for me. Overwhelming din at the same time.
돌아갈 순 없지만 날 가진 서랍 속에서 작았던 서로를 기억해. When I'm far from home always 떠올라 난 아직도 반짝이던 네두
All the things we're doing together is my favorite kind of things. Kasi I enjoyed being with him eh. We have our own late night talk. Yung out of the blue na magkikwentuhan kami, mag-uusap kami about life, about dreams, about goals and everything. Isa yun sa pinaka-tinetreasure ko. Kasi I don't have that kind of connection with anybody else.
Siguro para sa akin, yung every time na magkasama kami. Since dahil sa nature ng trabaho ko, nasa barko ako, so it's not every time na I'm here.
Feeling ko at that time, we connected and we feel the same expectation to each other and as well as yung same aura, same kami ng energy na binibigay sa isa't isa.
Actually, nag-start kasi kami na LDR. So, yung build-up talaga ng excitement namin na magkasama, andun siya. So, I can say na every time na she's with me, it's my favorite moment.
Well, I guess by being just existing, basta nandyan siya, I think masaya na ako. And lahat naman din ang ginagawa niya for me. Yung mga simple things lang like watching Netflix, going to the gym together. Paglalambing niya, he massages my feet, and yun talaga yung parang weaknesses ko. So, lahat ng bagay siguro na gagawin ni Jess, especially for us, makes me happy.
By simply being her. She has this kinds of personality na ako lang yung nakakita, and that's very special for me. And it's my simple joy as well. Kasi most of the people around her see her as very strong, independent, and talagang taas no siya sa lahat. To me, she's just my baby girl.
Oh, a lot. When I say a lot, super a lot. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina, we share the same energy. And with that, kahit simpleng mga taste of food, yung hobbies namin together, yung bonding namin na manood ng K-drama, we share a lot in common. So, hindi ko siya masasabi kung ano talaga yung specific kasi parang lahat. Kasi nga, yun nga, we share the same energy together.
We both have in common is yung pagiging clingy namin sa isa't isa. We always make sure na napaparamdam namin sa isa't isa na kung gaano namin kamahal yung one another. As in, that's something that we have in common. And also, I guess yung love namin sa family namin. We have this same values.
With that question, I think walang magpapatalo. We're very sweet to each other. And pag siya kasi naglambing, papapansin ko agad na gusto niya, hindi ko siya i-disregard or hindi ko siya dapat hayaan lang. So, dapat mag-give back ako ng lambing din kasi magtatapo siya and what, ganun.
Ako, syempre. Obvious naman sa aming dalawa. Pag nasa labas nga kami, we have this moment na hindi namin napapansin yung ibang tao. Especially when I start to get clingy sa kanya.
Ako din, sa part na yon hindi rin ako magpapatalo. Siyempre, Ilongga ako eh. So, yung mga Ilongga kasi, talagang nature na nila maging malambing. So, wala akong masabi. So, parehas kami, malambing. This time, no giving up. And I think yun yung pinaka magiging sandalan namin and panghahawakan. As long as we believe in each other, as long as we will do everything in our power na to be together, that would make us a great couple.
Sa bawat araw na magkasama kami, talagang minimake sure namin na napapakita namin kung gaano namin kamahal yung isa't isa.
Being in love with Jazz is the easiest decision I've ever made in my life. And I guess, nung dumating siya sa buhay ko, hindi ko inaakala. Sabi ko nga kanina, it was uncertain and it was unexpected. And being with him makes my life easier. I can say that he's the calm in my storm and he's my yin to my yang. And without Jazz, I think my life would be not the same anymore. Hindi na siya ganun kasaya or hindi na siya balanced. Kasi sabi ko nga, lahat ng imperfections ko, pinupunan ni Jazz.
It's everything for me. Lahat nung hinahanap ko before, lahat din nung pinagdadasal ko before, sa kanya ko lahat nakita, sa kanya ko lahat naramdaman. That's why it really made me go beyond what I always wanted to do with her. That's asking her to marry me.
Best part of being together is just being with him. Pag magkasama kami, hindi ko na iniisip kung ano yung mga sasabihin ng ibang tao kasi we can be whoever we want to be whenever we're each other.
We tend to disregard everyone around us. Basta magkasama kaming dalawa. It's what matters the most to us.
I can be goofy, I can be whoever I want. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-pretend, no pretensions. And being with him, I can make mistakes and I can be true to myself. Hindi ko kailangan ipakita sa kanya na ganito ako, perfect ako or what. He accepted me for who I am and that's the best part.
I guess the best part of being together is being able to see her beautiful face every day. One of the things that I admire about her the most. She always lighten up my day. Every time na nakikita ko siya, or every time nakasama ko siya, it's just the best part of my day.
I didn't realize how amazing it is to love someone like Jazz. Hindi ko ma-explain yung kung paano kami umabot sa ganito. We don't have exact reason kung ano pa talaga yung nararamdaman namin sa isa't isa kasi hindi namin ma-explain.
What I love about her the most is how she's selfless. and how she loves everyone around her.
When Jazz came into my life, I was in my darkest time. Siya yung naging reason kung bakit ako lumalaban. At that time, my dad also died. So, sa kanya rin ako kumuha ng lakas. Among my chaos, he's my calm.
So, when is the wedding?
Only if you come.